Enphase Energy, a global energy technology company and leading supplier of microinverter-based solar and battery systems, has announced that Partner Complete Solar is seeing increased deployments of the company's energy systems as homeowners across the United States are hit with extreme weather and rising energy prices. Complete Solar has seen a significant increase in solar and battery installations for new residential customers over the past several years. Enphase's IQ8-based systems can provide sunlight backup during an outage, even without a battery. Enphase delivers a safer solar plus battery solution that does not expose installers or homeowners to high-voltage direct current. Dave Ranhoff, Chief Commercial Officer at Enphase Energy, commented, "The solar industry in the United States is seeing record solar and battery storage demand, particularly within the residential market. Enphase is proud to work with Complete Solar to expand its product offerings to homeowners across the United States, continuing our commitment to meet the growing demand for clean energy with Enphase Energy Systems, powered by IQ8 microinverters and IQ batteries." Enphase Energy is a global energy technology company based in Fremont, California. The company is a leading supplier of microinverter-based solar and battery systems that enable people to harness the sun to make, use, save, and sell their own power. Shares of Enphase trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol ENPH. For more information, visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.